What's up, guys? Today we're going to be tackling a DIY Jeep TJ fender flare delete. Bought these fenders not too long ago, painted them, they look good, but I wanted to change up the look a little bit and make a delete for them because nobody makes one for them, and show you guys how to do it DIY all on your own. So back to the project. As you see, I do have a cardboard cutout. Unfortunately, I don't have a recording of the big pieces, but I did record the small side pieces that go underneath the Jeep logo on the side fender. But using cutouts is the best part. Gets you to cut and measure everything you need before you do it on the actual metal. The metal I am using is just a street sign. It's a highway sign that I was given by someone in construction, and it's perfect because it's aluminum. If I don't get around to painting it today, I can still throw it on. Don't have to worry about it rusting at all. But yeah, let's get on with the cutting. So guys, check this out. So I finally finished cutting them out. They actually look really good. And I just deburred them and everything so they're nice and smooth. Look really good. Need to be cleaned up a little bit. For right now, they're going to stay this aluminum look, but until I can get paint to match the body, I'm going to paint them. But for right now, they're going to stay like this. All I need to do now is just put some holes in them. They'll go right on the Jeep. Of course, the main reason for this project is to cover up these ugly holes. Nobody likes that. Clean up the side, clean up the look a little bit better, and just have a fun project out of it, really. So check this out. Just did a little mock fitting with some clamps. They look pretty good. I mean, once they're all painted to match, you'll hardly notice the difference, the little imperfections here and there. But for this first time project, little fabricating project, I don't think I did that bad. Looks pretty good all around. Pretty close and everything. Yeah, I kind of like it. I don't think it's that bad, really. Alright, so to cut the holes, drill the holes into this, what I did was just mounted them up, poked a Sharpie through on the back to drill the holes, mark where I needed to. But for these portions, I can't really stick a Sharpie through, so what I'm doing is I put a little bit of anti-seize on there so that when I hold it up, it should give me a little marking on the back to show me where I need to screw. So here's how it came out. Gets rid of all the ugly parts and just leaves the good looking part. There's the rears. I think it ended up pretty good. Color match isn't perfect, but it's not a show Jeep. Last step I did was just get the screws from the old Fenders and screwed them on in. Everywhere I drilled holes, I didn't drill every single hole because that would have been annoying, but everywhere that needed them, put them all in. And yeah, I think it came out pretty good for the first little fabricating job.